Hey, what's going on YouTube today? I'm going to be building a diving helmet out of this bucket. It's something I've done in the past. Well, not build a diving helmet. I just put a bucket over my head. Now that I've got the resources, I kind of want to mess around and see if I can get like a way to look through it. We're going to pump air into it. Don't try this at home. And if you like this kind of content, hit that subscribe button. I'm going to be doing stuff a lot like this. I am giving away two $20 gift cards at 500 and 1,000 subscribers, so make sure you're subscribed. With that out of the way, let's get into it. All right, so first we're going to start prepping the bucket to put the acrylic on. We're going to start by removing the handles, and you just pop these out. And then I'm going to trace. This is from a failed one I had. This. I'm just going to get that traced up. Have a nice viewing window. Now that that's traced out, we're going to cut it. Make sure you wear safety glasses if you're cutting anything. Next, I got to trim down this acrylic a little bit, so we're going to do that. Now that I've cut this acrylic and taken the plastic on it, I'm going to be heating it up with the heat gun, slowly hitting this ratchet strap to bend it to give it a nice concave shape. Alright, so we have the acrylic bent now and it's in the bucket. I've attached 2 screws on this side and drilled into it to keep it steady, and now we're just going to do the other 2. Now that we've got our holes drilled, I've cleaned up all the surfaces where our silicone is going to be touching the inside of the bucket, and I've cleaned up the plexiglass as well. We're taking some silicone and just running it along here on the outside, putting it in and running it out here as well. And just to create 2 seals to get everything hopefully watertight. Let's see how that turns out. Alright, so we've applied all of our silicone. We're going to let this dry for 24 hours. We'll see you guys tomorrow at the pool. Alright, so this is the final product that we have. We had to upgrade our air because that little compressor wasn't working, so I just had this in my basement. You could probably get away with a pancake compressor. I did go out and buy a regulator, and we usually play it by ear just to see how much air is coming out. We have 2 20-pound weights on either side, and we've been running the hose through this. And we also cut the pool noodle down because when we were doing our tests, it wasn't what's the word I'm looking for? It wasn't staying down as well with the 40 pounds of weight. So we cut these down and we seem to be a little bit more buoyant, less buoyant, excuse me. But let's show you guys what it looks like in the pool. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's pretty tight in here, but it's working.